Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy vehicle, but what we'll be doing it actually may help you guys on a Buick, GMC and Cadillac vehicles as well, because all of them are made by General Motors and many of them will use interchangeable parts or parts that are designed to function almost the same way. We'll show you guys how to remove and replace the throttle pedal, also known as gas or accelerator pedal. Stay with us, it's very important guys on newer vehicle. Okay, it's not like the old school manual pedal. This pedal has a few switches inside of it guys that tells the throttle body and the car computer how many percent okay that throttle pedal is depressed guys, so you know the computer knows exactly how much fuel to give and all that stuff. So all that guys needs to be functioning perfectly, otherwise you'll get engine light, your car may get in limp mode and it may not have power, so you can just get it off the road. And in today's video guys we'll explain what needs to be done to replace it. Every time you remove and replace it, I'll recommend to disconnect your car battery. Why? Because first, it's electrical. Second guys, you're close to most newer vehicles we have airbag, knee airbag guys, and you'll be close to it, so disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before the repair, because you'll be very close to that airbag and you don't want something to go bad. Now if you need to use parts or anything like that guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Okay, you can check it out and you can see where we buy all our tools and parts from. So let's go ahead now, get inside, and I'll show you what we'll need to do okay to remove and replace that throttle pedal. First thing guys will be to actually disconnect the wiring harness. Okay, and how you do that on most General Motors vehicles guys. So this is right there, the throttle pedal. Okay, you can see it like that. So let me just situate the camera now a little bit. Okay, I need to move it like that a little bit so I can see what I'm doing, because I'm upside down here now. Okay, right there guys, 1 second. Okay, perfect. Now this thing right here, this is your connector, so you need to slide that thing back. Okay, like that, and pull it out and pull up, and your connector comes out. Okay, check out guys, okay, how we slid it out. So now what else we need to do? Right here guys, okay, you're going to have one bolt. Okay, this bolt right here. Most of the times that bolt is with a 10mm socket, so what we're going to do now, we're going to get the socket and okay, I'm trying to figure out if the light is too bright, but I think it's good, and we remove that bolt. Perfect, it's actually a screw even. Now what you need to do past that point, you need to guys grab the pedal and twist it up, because it goes in a bracket there. So let me show you now. Okay, get it up, hold, okay, come in an angle like that, up more, and it comes out. Okay, you can see that part of the pedal, okay, right there, this part of the pedal. Okay, you can see how it's around on both sides. It actually attaches and it goes okay right here. So at that point guys, okay, you can see the throttle pedal has been removed. Now that's the easy part guys. Putting together, same thing, exactly in reverse order. We took it apart and reconnect your car battery later. You can see how complicated this one is guys. It doesn't have manual cables that move the throttle body. Everything is electronic nowadays, so you have multiple switches inside that detect okay, how much you press the gas pedal. So if you need to buy parts, the link will be in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.